Good afternoon. My name is Adrian Carr, and I would like to take this opportunity to present a case study analysis for the LDT 620 Learning Design, Media, and Emerging Technologies course. The goal of this case study is to deliver the results of the analysis by identifying 3 areas of the course that proved to be effective, as well as 3 areas that can be improved. To accomplish this, I will discuss the overall course design, the effective aspects of the course, suggested improvements, and the rationale behind my decision. Overall, the LDT 620 design approach was highly effective in delivering clear learning objectives and expected outcomes. The syllabus offered a detailed course overview and introduction, as well as course guidelines, grading and academic policies, project descriptions, and assignment due dates. The course homepage is well designed and allows learners to easily access assignment and project information. Discussion posts, grades, and other resources can also be accessed from this area, making it easier for learners to advance throughout the course. To dive deeper into the course, the Quality Course Teaching and Instructional Practice, or QTIP, scorecard was used to score the 97 quality indicators listed within the 10 different categories. According to the Online Learning Consortium, the Quality Course Teaching and Instructional Practice scorecard is a comprehensive scorecard which can be used for an in-depth review to validate instruction practices as compared to quality standards identified by experts. Based on this definition, numerous practices within the LDT 620 course were identified as being highly effective. Among those practices specifically were quality indicators located within the course design, course learning outcomes, and assignments categories of the QTIP scorecard. LDT 620 course design is balanced and consistent, and quality indicators that significantly contribute to that design include an evenly distributed workload, logical content progression, and multiple opportunities for learners to gain information. Learning outcomes of the LDT 620 course allow for a seamless transition from LDT 610. Perhaps the most important QTIP quality indicator is that the learning outcomes build on existing knowledge. One prime example of this fact is that a revision of the design document, which was used as the final deliverable from LDT 610, is used as one of the first deliverables in LDT 620. Learners are required to submit their previously completed design documents for review at the beginning of LDT 620. This serves as a learning foundation as learners move on and prepare for newer deliverables, such as professional learning networks, online learning experiences, and e-portfolios. Finally, the LDT 620 course assignments were structured in such a manner that allowed learners to achieve deliverables and learning outcomes for each of the 4 required projects. These quality indicators were instrumental in keeping learners on a clear path and focused on one objective at a time. Although the overall design of the LDT 620 course is highly effective, there are a few aspects of the course that could be improved. According to Dr. Kay Shelton, a professor at the OLC Institute, the QTIP incorporates some elements of course design that are inherent to good online teaching. Based on this definition, there are several areas within the LDT 620 course that could be improved based on lower scoring quality indicators, specifically in the class discussion and engagement, communication, and continuous course improvement areas. Although the class discussion area of the LDT 620 course is clearly identified and posting requirements are explained, this section can be more beneficial to learners if more actively engaged. Adding thought-provoking questions to this section may provide learners with a deeper understanding of even their own discussion topics. Quality indicators in the communication section of the QTIP, which coincide with the information in the class discussion section, also contain several areas that were considered less effective. While communication was present throughout the course, an increased amount of ongoing and prompt feedback may contribute to increased student engagement. Finally, there are areas of the course that did not initially include all required materials or information. Tech support was also needed to complete learning outcomes, which caused delays for some learners. Updates to these areas will increase the overall effectiveness of this course. In conclusion, the Q-Tip scorecard was used to analyze and score the LDT 620 course. Based on the review of the 97 quality indicators, the course scored 162 out of a maximum 194 points, and did not include points scored for 8 indicators that were considered non-applicable. Additionally, some quality indicators, mainly within the communication and course improvement sections, received lower scores. Based on the indicators mentioned throughout this analysis and recommended areas of improvement, strategies can be developed to increase the overall effectiveness of the LDT 620 course.